Greetings parents. Hello my nursery children. Children, by now you know so many patterns, don't you? Standing line, sleeping line, mountain pattern, U pattern and jump pattern too. So today let us do a worksheet with all the patterns. Are you ready with your crayons? Let's begin. Let's begin this activity on pattern writing. Parents, kindly write the name of your child on this line. Now children, look at all these flowers and look at the pots here. But the stalks of the flowers are missing. So we are going to make the stalks for all these flowers with our dark green color crayon. Alright, look at the first flower. This first flower has a dotted line here. So we are going to join this and give the stalk to flower number 1. Ready? So with dark green color, slowly from here, we are going to join slowly and ta-da! Green stalk is ready. Now let's move on to the next flower. There is a dot here and a dot over here. So again we will make a standing line for this flower from the top here slowly to the bottom. Join. Alright, now move on to this flower. Again, from here to here, a standing line top to the bottom. Ready? Slowly, my smart children, from here. Stop. Now, the last flower. Again, from here to here, a standing line this way. Start from here, slowly down. Join. Standing line for this flower. Wow! All our flowers have got a stalk now. Now children, look at this little fish. She wants to swim in the water. There are some waves here, but the waves are not complete. So, let's take our dark blue color crayon and join these dots to complete the waves. Ready? Let's start. Press your crayon very nicely, children, and move down. Take a turn, go up. Once again, come down, take a turn, go up. Down, take a turn, go up. Down, take a turn, go up. One more time. Down, take a turn, go up. It's so easy, isn't it? And it's looking super. Now, let's move on to the next line. Very carefully, children. Down, up, down, turn, up. Go down, turn, up. Move down, turn, up. We are drawing the U pattern here, children. Wonderful. The second row is also ready. Now let's go to the last U pattern over here. Again, down, turn up, down, take a turn, go up. Very, very slowly and nicely. Aha! Our little fish is so happy. Finally, all the waves are complete with the U pattern. Isn't that awesome, children? All are complete. Children, look at this car over here. This car wants to move to the flag over there. But how? We shall draw a long sleeping line. Slowly go over the dots and complete the sleeping line. Let's take our brown color crayon and join. Let's begin. See? From the big black dot, we shall start drawing. Very slowly, very carefully, and here we go. Ta-da! We have reached. Now go to the next car. Over here too, we shall draw a sleeping line. Ready? Again, from that black dot over here, we shall go zoom, zoom, zoom and zoom. Sleeping line is ready. Now the last car, children. Again to that flag. Start slowly and nicely. We shall draw the sleeping line like this and reach the flag. Superb, isn't that? 3 cars have got the 3 sleeping lines. This, children, is a picture of a mug. This mug is for my mama. And there are some patterns here. What patterns are these? Correct. It's the mountain pattern. So now, with our red color crayon, we shall join these dots to complete the mountain pattern. Ready? Let's start. From here, we shall go up, then come down, slowly go up again, come down slanting, up slanting, down slanting, up, down, up. Alright, now the next line. My mama's going to be so happy with this mug. Up, down, up line again, down slanting line, up slanting line, down and join. Now children, on this portion, we shall make our own mountain pattern. Ready? See, up, down. Look how teacher's drawing it. You will draw in the same way, children. Wow, the mug is looking so good with the mountain pattern, isn't it? Well, it's complete. Children, after this, you may color the flowers, the pots, the fish, the cars and Mama's mug too. Your worksheet will look very colorful. Bye-bye for now. Hope to see you soon.